Fixing a sunken concrete slab floor to get it level with the rest of your house after foundation piers were installed is totally doable, but you gotta know where to start and what to watch out for. Alright, so here's the deal with leveling a concrete slab floor that's about 1 inch to 2.5 inches lower than the rest of your floors. First, check that your foundation piers really stabilize the slab, so no more sinking happens. Then, prep the slab by cleaning it super well, get rid of dust, grease, or anything loose because that stuff kills bonding. Next, grab a quality floor leveling compound designed for concrete slabs. These mixes usually come pre-mixed or in powders you add water to, and they flow out nice and smooth. You want to pour this compound over the low spots and let it self-level, but if the drop is too big, like over 2 inches, you might need to do it in layers or use a patching mix first. Make sure you use a primer on the concrete before pouring the leveling mix that helps it stick better. After pouring, use a trowel or rake to spread the compound evenly while it's wet. Give it enough time to cure, don't rush walking on it or putting flooring over it. And if you're putting down hardwood or laminate later, double check that the final level matches the adjoining floors perfectly to avoid gaps or trip hazards. One of the biggest mistakes people make when leveling concrete slab floors is skipping the primer step, which leads to poor adhesion and cracking later on. To fix that, always apply a concrete primer before pouring your leveling compound. Another common issue is pouring too thick of a layer all at once. When the floor drop is more than 2 inches, this can cause the compound to crack or not cure properly. Instead, do multiple thin layers, or use a patching compound for deep spots before leveling. Lastly, some folks don't prep the slab thoroughly, leaving dust or debris on the surface which causes bonding failure. Fixing this means cleaning and sometimes even lightly sanding the slab before starting. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with foundation repair and floor leveling. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people who need quality work done without all the hassle.